So I had to figure out a way how to organize the way that these things are connected to each other. Essentially, you would love to just kind of like finish one section, assemble the pieces together, and then attach this section per se to this section. But then depending on how big the panels are and how they are interconnected with each other, you sort of have the risk of kind of finding yourself in a jam, because the machine can only take so much materials in one side. So you kind of have to first kind of build a big chunk, a centerpiece, and then sort of like add. And so what I did, I kind of create a system of order and combined with graphs of how things are intertwined together and marking everything down. Also in terms of the order, so that I don't have to remember how everything works, I just sort of create an equation, and just as an equation, there is priorities. There is like everything that is in the assembling line. Step 1, it's under round parentheses, and the round parentheses are the first pattern that get assembled, and then how those panels that get assembled relates to the rest of other panels that get assembled is expressed in the equation. Per se, here the F4B plus F4A needs to be assembled together before they can be stick together to A9, which would allow, would make it simple to stitch it with the machine. Then when those two are getting together, when the F4B and F4A are stick together and then put together with the E9, then you connect it with another section, which is basically the combination of the F3B plus F3A combined together, plus the A8, which then A8, A9 kind of conjoined together.